Hi, I am Aslı Deniz, and I am so excited to welcome you to the STEP community, the Sustainability Transformation and Empowerment Platform. Here at STEP, we're building more than just a learning space. We are building a movement, a place where change makers like you come to grow, lead, and take action toward a more sustainable future. Our community brings together professionals, leaders, and innovators from all over the world who are passionate about embedding sustainability, ethics, and transformation into how they work and lead. If you have joined the STEP Premium Edition, you now have access to our complete toolkit to help you go deeper and drive real impact. So, what's inside the Premium community, you ask? First, you will get our full 6-module ESG training program, where we walk you through building, implementing, and communicating your ESG strategy. You'll also receive access to exclusive one-on-one coaching sessions tailored to your leadership goals and the challenges you are facing. You can tune into our private podcast series featuring interviews with ESG experts, thought leaders, and change agents across industries. And lastly, you get the opportunity to connect with top-tier coaches and consultants through our external coaching network for deeper support on niche topics. This space is yours. Ask questions, share your wins, and support each other. You are not alone on this journey. You are part of a growing community that believes sustainability and transformation can go hand in hand. So, we welcome you to STEP. Let's lead the change together.